That take a picture or a video? That's videoing, okay.
Turn it off, that's part of this.
Okay.
Beat it a little bit, turn it off, down the next little bit.
Okay. Hey folks, Grandma and Papa Joe here. I'm getting lessons on the KitchenAid. If I can get this thing to agree with adjusting it for here. Got a feeling it ain't gonna like that. Yeah, I'm gonna try to fall there. Dead gummit. Well, yeah, sometimes I can if it cooperates. There we go. We'll try that. All right. Now, don't go far. She's trying to stay out of the video. I'm fine with that, but I'm not normally allowed to use this, but I've been being given a crash course. All right. So, what we're doing some sausage balls. We got 1 pound, just a little 1 pound roll. What? Oh, preheat the oven. You didn't start it yet? What kind of prep cook are you? Oh, she's whispering. Don't mind her. But little Joe shared with me the other day about a sausage ball. And it looked quite interesting. Looked like something good to take out on the road with us. I got 1 pound of the Jimmy Dean sausage, round 1 pound deal that we all get. It's already in here. Oh, now I've been given a lesson on how to use this, so we're going to see how good I can do. You do 1 pound of the sausage. You do 2 cups of a biscuit mix, and although in the video they showed her doing it early, I'm going to go ahead and start my mix, or my mixer, and I'm going to start adding it in here, making funky noises. It's a KitchenAid. It ought to handle this well. Did you already cut this? Boy, listen to that. Cut that open for me, please. Huh?
And is it balling up on your feeder?
Yeah, well, no, not really. I think it's just real thick.
Yeah, it is.
Let's see if the cheese will help it. Then you do 2 cups of cheese.
That's why you lock your mixer down.
Lock the bowl down?
The mixer.
Oh, okay. Then she had said in that video that you got to mix it several minutes for it to get good and thoroughly mixed. In the meantime, we got our oven preheating to 350, and you're supposed to, I hope it picks up some of that out of the bottom.
It will. That's why it's got the scraper on it.
And it gets that in the very bottom. I don't normally get to use this. This is a grandma toy. And yeah, it is getting it. It's taking it a minute. Good thing this guard's on up top or it'd come on out of there. Yeah.
She said it would all ball up around the beaters when it was done. raking it across the beaters.
Well, it's knocking it off and all that stuff. I guess that's why you do it on low, huh? Do it on high and it'd be throwing it everywhere. We'd be playing baseball or sausage ball. What was that? Your ring? Grandma's got jewelry she's just throwing away. Oh. Well, that's a good problem to have, ain't it? Said she's lost so much weight, her rings are coming off. That means here in a little while I'll be having them all sized again. It looks to me like it's pretty thoroughly mixed and it's staying on the beater.
That's what she said, it would fall up around the beater.
Well, that is pretty much doing. But you're supposed to thoroughly mix it. I guess that depends on what you call thoroughly mixed. I've been recording 6 minutes and this started right after that, so I think it ought to be done.
Stop it.
And you said back is stop. And we'll take that off. Yeah, that looks thoroughly mixed. There's that. Now you said push that back.
Unlock it.
And that will release that.
In that drawer right below you, there's a spatula. Make it all right in your bowl.
We got enough of them.
Green or the black one's a good one.
I use this one. It's party. I want to use the party one, Grandma. Can I use the party one?
Yes, sir.
Well, actually, that cleans off pretty easy, don't it?
Oh, that's because the fat in it.
All right. Put that over here.
Unlock
Now,
it.
you didn't tell me how you take these out.
Push up, turn it till it releases it. It'll come back down on you when it releases it.
Okay. Buy this high dollar thing and I don't get to play with it. What's up with that? Selfish woman. She gets all the cool toys.
When you act like you want to learn, I'll let you play with it.
Are you sure you want to tell me that? That could be dangerous.
Yeah, probably so.
All right. So.
See waffle batter flying all over the kitchen. See how fast this thing goes.
You know that ain't where I was going. Alright, with these you're not supposed to spray them, correct?
They're supposed to be non-stick, yeah. There's so much fat in those they shouldn't stick anyway with the sausage fat.
Alright, now, the lady said that you made about a quarter size ball out of them. About the size of a quarter. We'll roll them up. And that looks to be fairly close to me. We'll do one. I might wind up pausing you so Grandma can help do these. So, we'll see. That one a little bit big. All right. So that's the two I made. They're pretty close to the same size. All right, with that, I'm going to pause you so Grandma can help me. Otherwise, it'll take forever to do this. We'll be right back. All right, so we did this. We got 20 of them. Well, actually, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 24. So we got 2 dozen out of them. These are going in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. We'll be back. All right, let me pull these out. I wound up cooking them an extra 5 minutes. So they cook 25 minutes. They're hot. I literally just pulled them out. I left them in the other 5 because they wasn't browned on the top. So there we go. That is what I'll be having for breakfast this week. Hope y'all try it. If you do, let me know. Remember, God loves you. So do I. Y'all have a blessed day now. Bye.